Yo YouTube, what is going on? So today's video, guys, you found it because you're searching for a working method on how to get free Nintendo Switch games in 2024. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. I've managed to find a working method that's going to allow you to get any Nintendo Switch game for completely free using an eShop code. So you can add any game you want to the eShop basket, apply a code that I'm going to show you today, and it's going to remove 100% of the cost of any game. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Make sure you have a mobile phone. You can see here I'm using an iPhone. Doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you can get on the internet, of course. And you're going to want to go to the following website, guys. So open up the mobile internet and go to www.wavyrewards.com. Very important you go to Wavy Rewards. This is a brand new rewards website that I discovered. And basically, guys, you get rewarded for completing tasks. And the special thing about this one is you only need to complete 2 tasks to get your reward. And that only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So you just got to follow the instructions on this page. It says click the button below, choose and complete 2 of the tasks, make sure you follow the instructions, and then you can go ahead and choose and claim your reward. In this case, you can get a code for a free Nintendo Switch game. So click on claim now, and you're going to see this page where it says claim your reward. And basically it says complete 2 of the tasks below following the instructions. So you can see I've got a list of tasks here. You may see some that are slightly different, but they're all going to be completely free. And you basically have to click on 2 of them. So this one, you click on it and it gives you some instructions. This one says answer the questions and fill in details. So that's like a survey. This one says download and complete level 9. So that's like a mobile game where you would have to download it and play it until a certain level. So basically, guys, just choose 2 of these and make sure you follow all of the instructions and complete them. And once you've done that, you will then be redirected to this website here where you can go ahead and choose your reward for completing those tasks. So you can have a scroll down here and see what reward you want to choose. Everything's going to be completely free because you've done that. And you can get a Nintendo gift card. So find the Nintendo page and you can get any game for free in the Nintendo eShop. So go ahead and click on that. And if you followed the instructions, obviously I just skipped forward some steps, but if you did complete 2 tasks, this code will be fully revealed, and it is a simple eShop code that you can enter in, and it's going to remove the cost of any game. So that is how you do it, guys. All you have to do is go to Wavy Rewards, guys, follow the instructions, fully complete 2 tasks, and that is how you can get free Nintendo Switch games in 2024. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button if you got your free game. Let me know in the comments which game you choose as well, because yeah, some of them are pretty expensive. So yeah, enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.